Hi everyone, this is Enigma at sportscardforum.com, your number one place for online trading and sports card discussion. Today, as a part of my business site, cardsbythebox.com, I've been asked by one of the members of Sports Card Forum to open up a box he purchased via the website and send him all the results. So this is his live break of his box. That is Sports Card member Lapacka, L-A-P-A-C-K-A. He is based out of the Czech Republic. So all these cards will be en route to him, so no reason to inquire here about these cards. You can contact him via the site. So let me open up all his cards for him. See if there's anything noteworthy in here. Looks like we got a gold parallel, gold refractor, Drew Hutchison of the Blue Jays, numbered to 50. Nice little start there. All base. Yep. Got a regular refractor here, Carl Crawford. Looks like an X-Fractor of Matt Latos. Base. Got a regular refractor of C.J. Wilson. Got a Topps Chrome die cut of Matt Moore. Can't remember what those were called off the top of my head real fast. Let me see if I can... The dynamic die cuts, that's right. Got our first autograph. It's an on-card auto of Matt Moore. It is a refractor numbered to 499. Got a refractor of Jose Valverde. Got an X-Fractor of Joe Mauer. Refractor, Ryan Lavarnway of the Red Sox. Got a blue refractor, Jacoby Ellsbury. That is numbered to 199. Got a sepia refractor of Ike Davis, and that is numbered to 75. A lot of color in this box. Got a Clay Buchholz refractor. Very Red Sox heavy. X-Fractor Carlos Beltran. All base. Another refractor, Anibal Sanchez. Base. Our second autograph is Dylan Bentensees of the Yankees. That is a regular auto on card as well. Got a refractor of Brian Dozier. X-Fractor of Will Middlebrooks. And our final pack. Okay, Krimble Refractor. And that concludes our break of a box of 2012 Topps Chrome for Sports Card 4 member Lapacka, which was purchased from cardsbythebox.com. If you're interested in any of the cards you saw here, feel free to contact him via Sports Card Forum for information on what he's looking for in trade. And as always, this is Enigma at sportscardforum.com saying have a nice day.